This video provides the definitive solution for Premiere Pro timeline preview issues. Having personally encountered and extensively tested various remedies for video not displaying in Premiere Pro, I've compiled multiple effective methods, and I'm eager to share these proven solutions with you right away. First, we address the common problem of corrupted media cache by clearing it. Premiere Pro stores temporary files for quick access, but these can become damaged, preventing your timeline from correctly displaying video frames. By deleting this cache, you compel Premiere Pro to rebuild these essential preview files from scratch, often resolving many visual glitches. Next, updating your graphics drivers is crucial. Premiere Pro leverages your GPU for accelerated rendering and smooth playback. Outdated or corrupted drivers can severely impair this functionality, leading to blank previews. Ensuring your graphics card drivers are current provides the necessary instructions for your hardware to process video data correctly, eliminating a major source of display errors. Third, resetting Premiere Pro's preferences can resolve deep-seated configuration problems. Over time, user settings or internal files can become corrupted, causing erratic behavior within the application. A preference reset returns Premiere Pro to its factory defaults, effectively cleaning out any problematic settings that might be interfering with your timeline preview without impacting your actual project files. Finally, we explore changing the video renderer. Premiere Pro offers different rendering engines, including GPixelated options like QDA or OpenCL, and a CPU based software-only mode. If your graphics hardware or its drivers are experiencing a glitch, switching to the Mercury Playback Engine software-only mode temporarily workarounds the GPU, forcing the CPU to handle all rendering. This workaround often provides a stable preview, albeit potentially slower, confirming if the issue lies with your graphics hardware or its interaction with Premiere Pro.